Hello students, a very warm welcome to you all. Welcome to the online lecture series of this SM College Palghar. I am Vilas sir and today we are going to start a new chapter, tillage. Next it is a intertillage or a interculture. The tillage operation which is out in a standing crop or the in between the crops rows are called intertillage. It includes some operations. Let's see the list of tillage implements. First we see the implements for the preparatory tillage. Starting with the plugging. The plugs, maybe wooden or iron plugs, are generally used for better tillage. So first we'll see the deep plugging. It may be around 20 to 30 centimeter in deep. The bullocks drawn the iron plug and it molds board the plug, or for time saving the tractors drawn molds are used on board plug. Two furrow bar point plug are also used, and the disc plug generally used everywhere. Next is a shallow plugging. It may have around 20 to 15 centimeter in deep. The small mold board plug are used, or deshi or wooden plugs are used. Second one, it is a subsoil plugging. It is a surface leveler plugging, or the subsoiler plugging is done with the help of some metal plugs. After the tillage, the clod crushing is done with the help of some harrows. So in the diagram, as you can see, the disc harrows, spring tooth harrow, spike tooth harrows and blade harrows are used with the help of some tractors. Next is the cultivars, and these implements are used for the seed bed preparation and also for the intercultivation operations, and these having the tines which are having the provision of the vertical adjustment also. And generally disc cultivar, rotary cultivar and tine cultivars are used. Next is the leveling of land. Iron kenny, wooden leveling bore, American pitari, blade harrow are used for slopy area, and the leveler can be beneficial for adjusting the length or the depth of the soil as per the requirement. So bulldozers sometimes are used for time saving. Next is a harrowing. Deccan blade harrowing, or the different type of harrows are used according to the type of soil. So implementation which cuts the soil to the shallow deep for the smoothing and the pulverizing the soil, as well as to cut the weeds or unwanted plants from the required area of crops, and these are also used to break the clod after plugging. So big soil part which are crushed and they are levels at the time of the seed bed preparation. Let's see the types of harrows. There are 6 types: disc harrow, spring tooth harrows, pike tooth harrows, blade harrows or bucker, guntaka and triangular harrow. We have already seen the pictures of harrows. Next it is a manure mixing. Manure are very important for improving the soil quality and fertility. So disc harrow, blade harrows, disc plug, deshi wooden plug are used for manure mixing. Next is the compacting of soil. Maned or wooden logs and inverted harrows or rollers like iron roller, stone or wooden roller are used for compacting the soil. It is beneficial. for seed bed preparation. Next is the puddling. The rice puddler or bullock or tractor drowns nearby the puddling area, and the deshi wooden plug are also used for puddling. Next is the seedbed preparation. In the seedbed preparation in the farm, the farms often involves secondary tillage after the harrows or cultivate is done, and this may be followed by the primary tillage when the plugs are done, and the farming method are also done with the help of instruments to avoid the tillage for the seedbed preparation as well as the weed control. It is necessary to prepare. The necessity of a seedbed preparation, it is removal of debris, insect eggs and disease spores which are found in the plant debris after a harvesting of a previous crop. So leveling, breaking of the clothes, soil improvement and fertilizing, it is done after the or the before seedbed preparation, so our crops may be good and healthy according to their shape and size. First is a ridge and furrows. Different type of ridger are used like a Jivan, Jagat and Jumbo ridger in the cropping area. Second, it is a preparatory or preparation of a border stripe and saras. Sara farmer is used for the preparation of the saras in the field area. Burnt former is used for preparing burns in nearby our cropping area in required area or a required distance, and making the irrigation layouts and hand tools like a spade is used manually. Next is the sowing seeds. Seeds important element which are sown in required seed bed area. So indigenous seed drill like a Dafan, Tifan or Chaffan. Next is a planting sugarcane. The sugarcane are planted by planter in a given seedbed area. Next is the covering seeds. Blade harrow and wooden planks are generally used for covering seeds. Next it is a implement for the interculture or intertillage. First it is a weeding. Generally hand tools like weeding hooks, khurpi is used for removing unwanted plants from a required area. And second is the hoeing. Different types of hoers are used as follows, like entire blade hoe, slit blade hoe, akola hoe, Japanese hand hoe or karzat hoe, peg tooth cultivar, shovel tooth cultivar, paddy weeder, hand hoes and tine tooth hoers are used for different purposes. Next is the earthing up. Earthing up, it is necessary for sugarcane plant like sabul plug and ridger are generally used for sugarcane plantation. Erect type groundnut, and the groundnut requires the entire blade hoers and hand tools like hand kudri, trenching hoe, and that carrying up the earth or soil up in area. When the season ends, the required time period it necessary for harvesting, and the harvesting is done by with some important tools like in a groundnut plantation, the groundnut digger and a groundnut harvester and a blade harrow and hind digger are used for harvesting. Next is the potato. The potato digger and the deshi wooden plug are used to remove out the potatoes. Next is the cereal, oil seeds and pulses. These crops are harvested by the various different harvesters, which are modern in way and highly mechanized, which carrying out the harvesting and threshing in same time, and it winnows by bagging techniques at the same time. Next is the wheat and rice. Wheat and rice are again harvested by the harvester, and generally Vaibhav sickle is used for harvesting these crops. Next is sunflower. Sunflower harvester are used to combine harvester. Next is a sickles are used for harvesting cereal plants, pulses, some oilseed plant, fodder crops. Choppers is also used for removing or cut the sugarcane crops. Tikau, hand kudli, and these harvesting tools are used generally turmeric, ginger and potato harvesting. Vaibhav sickle is used for the rice crop for cutting out the whole stem part from the ground level. Next implement is the threshing. Jowar, bajra, wheat, rice are threshed by the different threshers like a Vicon thresher and other powered operated threshers are generally used. For wheat crops, Allpad wheat thresher is used. Paddy or rice crop, it is threshed by the paddy foot thresher. The maize cobs is removed out by the maize sheller hand driven and power operated machines. The shelling groundnut pods are removed by the groundnut sheller. Sunflower, it is removed out by the sunflower thresher or sheller are generally used for sunflower. The hand tools generally used like a wooden thresher are the traditional method or the technique are used for the threshing cereals, pulses and some oil seeds. Lastly, the winnowing. The winnowing, it is done by the winnowing fan or the box winnower. It is a air blown out